If you're sending money abroad or managing multiple currencies this year, three names you'll see again and again are Wise, Remitly, and Revolut. Each one handles money transfers differently. Some focus on low cost and each others on convenience or extra features. So in this video, we'll compare them side by side to help you decide which is best for you in 2025. Let's start with Wise. Wise is all about transparency and cost efficiency. It uses the actual mid-market exchange rate, the one you find on Google, with no hidden markups, and then adds a clearly visible fee. If you're transferring between bank accounts and want the lowest cost possible, Wise often comes out ahead. On top of that, it supports many currency pairs and offers a multi-currency account where you can hold, send, and spend in dozens of currencies. The trade-off is that Wise is built primarily for online banking transfers. It doesn't offer as many cash pickup or mobile wallet delivery methods in every country. Next up is Remitly. Remitly is designed primarily for remittances, sending money from abroad to family or friends. It offers two main delivery speeds: economy, cheaper, slower, and express, faster, higher fee. A big strength of Remitly is its payout flexibility. Recipients may get funds via bank deposit, mobile wallet, or even cash pickup depending on their country. That makes it very useful when the recipient doesn't have a conventional bank account. The downside is that while the upfront transfer fees might look low, the exchange rate often includes a margin above the mid-market rate, so the real cost can be higher than expected. Also, for purely bank-to-bank transfers in well-served corridors, it might not beat Wise on cost. Finally, there's Revolut. Revolut is more than just a money transfer service. It's a full fintech app and digital banking platform. It allows you to hold multiple currencies, spend abroad, use a card, exchange currency, and transfer money. For transfers, Revolut offers free or low-fee options within certain limits and plan tiers, and uses a near mid-market rate on weekdays, but with a potential markup on weekends or outside plan limits. Revolut shines if you already use it as your banking or spending app, travel frequently, or want a one-app-does-it-all solution. The catch is that for straightforward money sending to someone's bank across borders, the cost might be higher than a dedicated low-cost transfer service like Wise, and the delivery methods, like cash pickup, may be more limited than Remitly's. So, which one should you pick in 2025? If your main goal is lowest cost for bank-to-bank transfers, and the recipient can receive via bank account, go with Wise. If you need flexibility in how the recipient gets the money, bank, wallet, cash pickup, and you're sending to a country where banking isn't universal, then Remitly is probably your best choice. If you want a broader financial platform that covers spending, multi-currency holdings, travel card usage, and transfers all in one, and you're comfortable with some trade-offs, then Revolut makes sense. In summary, Wise wins for pure value and transparency. Remitly wins for payout flexibility and remittance-specific use. Revolut wins for all-in-one financial platform and multi-currency everyday use. Choose based on where you're sending, how your recipient wants to receive, how fast you need it, and how much you want to spend. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you'll get more money transfer app reviews and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.